YouTube, welcome back to JBOI Vlogs, where we do car content, Civic content. We used to do Miata content. We do Lexus content, C33 content, truck content, friends content, everybody's content. Let's just dive right into this, you guys. My new to me 2002 LS430 UL. Great car, you guys. Great car. I've been driving it. You guys seen on the previous video when I did receive the car, I put the new fenders. I did a new headlight, new bumper. I did get the headlights buffed, so these things are looking lovely. Lovely, lovely. Oh, I'm still working on this fitment and everything. I would like to drop the car on these new fenders. These new fenders are not rolled. So in today's video, we're going to explore if you should be cutting or rolling your fenders and how to determine that situation. Because as you've known, I'll drop the little clip or whatever, I've been rolling for probably like 4 or 5 years. So I've rolled a couple thousand cars, I personally feel like. I have rolled Lexuses before. I do whatever the customer wants me to do. If you want me to fucking roll that shit, I'm gonna roll that shit. But on my car, we will not be rolling it. So I've decided, I'm actually gonna show you why or how I decided that, but I will not be rolling these fenders. The rears look like they're a little bit rolled, so I might actually just continue rolling the rear. But the fronts, usually on a lot of these Lexuses, these early 2000s and 90s Lexuses, for the fender lining inside, they made the fender with square tabs to actually hold the fender lining in with these weird clip tabs, shits or whatever. Anyway, usually when you pop those tabs out, what I've done in the past, you pop those out and you could continue to roll the fender. But when you do that, it creates these small dividends on the fender. And I have brand new fenders, so I would like not to ruin them. But I think it's this side. This side I actually already started cutting it. But you can see right here, there's actually these little square tabs. And these square tabs are literally what creates these weird indentations on the outside of the quarter or fender. And we're not going to do that because this just looks good. Like, look at this metallic in the paint. O2 paint. Come on now. Come on. But let me get the wheels off and I'll set you guys up and show you. Oh, I'm chewing up these tires. Safety first. Chat, I thought about how I want to tell you guys to do this. I was going to tape up the fenders and everything. Look, this is literally from me not taping it up. Ooh, can you guys see? I chipped it right there. Yeah, I was going to tape it up, but this is JBOI Vlogs. We are not perfection. I'm not taping it up. But let's show you guys how it looks. These square tabs I told you. So we just need to cut along this line and try to keep it pretty. I got some shavings on, you guys. See? Literally just cutting that whole lip off. And sometimes this may work best. If you guys don't have a roller at home, you don't want to pay somebody, but you have an angle grinder, just make sure you have a straight hand. This shit could work. But this is definitely going to work well for what I need. I don't want any indentations on this fender, but I also don't want to clap the fender. So that's why we're cutting today, you guys. I'm gonna try to hit this back some and work towards the middle. It looks like the middle is a little bit folded already. It happens on a lot of cars since like you're probably lowered and you're turning, it starts folding itself. But yeah, I like it. So I've cut from front to middle, back to middle. Now the only thing that's left is the middle. You can see I kind of have to unfold the part that folded itself, so I will be able to cut this straight through. Coming out good. I'll probably hit this with like a flap disc to smoothen it out. Just good right here, you guys. See the middle right here that I'm talking about? Just gonna fold it down a little bit with the pliers and shave the rest. So I feel like I like this side. Let me see if I can flip the camera and show you guys. Yeah. But I cannot find my flap disc I want to use. So we're gonna go ahead, 80 grit, just to clean it up, make it smooth. $120? A pair? It's not bad.
I paid free shipping. Let's see if it's free shipping.
$120 for the pair is not bad.
With ball joints.
I mean, I hope the upper would come with ball joints. Anyway, you guys, I was just talking about how I still need uppers because my camera's uneven. But this is fully shaved now. I'm gonna flip the cam. Sanded it down with 80 grit just to make it smooth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You guys, the car looks so good now. Just with getting the headlights done. But we're gonna get in this side's fully stock. You can see how it starts folding in already. Has those tabs. Started cutting. It looks a little bit choppy. We're gonna clean it up. About to show you guys the process on this side. So we got a fresh blade, fresh battery. Basically just shave the inner, clean it up. Clean line right there I'm worked on. It's pretty jagged, but who's really gonna be under the fender? I did grind it down with some 80 grit. If you guys remember at the beginning I said you should maybe tape it up if you want. I did nick my fender right here, but that's fine. It has a little bit of scratches all around. So I'm not too worried about it, but maybe you guys should tape your shit up. No buckles or anything in the Lexus front fender, so you guys definitely should. These are the buckles you would be seeing if I can catch it on camera. There's a weird one right here. Then there's a weird one in the back. And that's what happens when you guys end up folding these tabs. Both sides fully shaved. Very good. Ready for me to lower it. A little bit choppy inside, but it's perfectly fine. Looks good for me. I love it. I just really wanted to show you guys that little quick video because I know I do fender rolling and I posted fender rolling and so on. But thank you guys for tuning in. If this helped you out, like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys.